Your main image is the most important real estate on your listing. And if you get your main image wrong, nothing else really matters because nobody's going to buy from you. Now, the important thing is that your main image should be on a white background. This is considered Amazon compliant. Now, Amazon's using bots to track this. So some sellers can get around it, but if you report them, they will get their first image kicked off and they'll most likely get suppressed. Now we can look at a good first image right here. And this is an electric flosser. And we can see just from the first image, it pretty much kind of shows you what the product is, right? Saying it's got 3 speeds, #1 dentist recommended, 45 floss heads, gentle gliding. It shows you everything that comes with the product. This is a pretty solid first image. So this is a good example of what you want your first image to look like. Now this is extremely optimized from a designer, but it's in the right direction with that white background. And then of course, you don't want too much white space in your first image as well. You want to have that at least 85% fill rate or even more, up to 100%. And we can see that if we look at a competitor and you kind of highlight it, you see my highlighter, see how there's like only a tiny bit of white space, barely from here to here, from here to here, from down to up, right? So you want to make sure that you are uploading it the right way and when you're editing the image, right? A basic designer would be able to do that, so not a huge deal. But Amazon does have product image guidelines and they are extremely detailed. So if your image fails to meet the technical requirements, I already mentioned the white background, then it's just not going to be uploaded. Amazon's going to reject it and they're going to go to your previous image, or they're just going to completely suppress your listing. And we're going to talk about listing suppression, but we have the file format. Now they do recommend JPEG, right? JPEG. You want to make sure that you pretty much have it in this format if possible. The other ones do work, but this one is pretty much Amazon optimized. So keep that in mind. They also have different pixels, a minimum of 500 pixels and maximum of 10,000 on the longest side. Clear, non-pixelated, no jagged edges, things like that. And then they have a section just for main images. And they're kind of just going over what we already discussed. And they have some examples right there, but not bad. I mean, the main image violations are going to be adding like badges on your listing, 2-pack, all these random things. This is how you can get in trouble. Now, you are able to add these. There is a loophole. And what they do is they pretend to put it on their packaging. So they're putting like it looks like a sticker, and they're telling Amazon pretty much, or Amazon's AI is like, oh, we're not going to remove it because this is their packaging. This is on their packaging. So if you did want to put like badges, like #1 dentist recommended, put it on your packaging on your first image like they're doing. So there are loopholes to this. But if they put this on a white background, Amazon would kick it off right away. It's pretty much how do you get it past the AI because you still want to stand out on Amazon. And then we have a direct PDF from Amazon and then how it can, comply, variation images, image compliance, what you need to start, right? Your images must be at least 500 by 500 pixels. So it's going to be most likely a square, 500 by 500 pixels. You can use canva.com. Increase the size to 1000 by 1000 for high quality listings. So at least have 1000 by 1000 if you can. 500 by 500 is the minimum, but this is going to allow customers to zoom in on your listing. So keep that in mind. If you want customers to be able to do this and zoom, it has to be at least 1000 by 1000. And if your main image is non-compliant, right? And sometimes Amazon's bots just decide it's not compliant, your listing will be suppressed. So pretty much when somebody types in to search your product, no results are going to show up. And you don't want that at all. It's also going to show you that it's suppressed, but sometimes it takes like an hour or like 24 hours to tell you. So you want to be on top of it to make sure. And to be on top of it, look at your competitors, capture an image of your product, isolate it, and then make sure the background is removed and then upload it to Amazon. And that's going to really help to make sure everything is good to go on your listing. Now, there's also something called item image manager. So you go to catalog, upload images. And this is going to be the easiest and fastest way to upload and change images on your listing. This is also a great way to see if your images are suppressed. So you're going to go to upload images. You're going to type in your ASIN. And then when you scroll down, you're actually going to be able to upload. Let me see if it'll let me scroll when it zooms in. There we go. When you scroll down, you're actually going to be able to change your main image, your front image, your side image, your back image, and then your number 1 image, your number 2, number 3, number 4. So you can add all these images as well as videos and 3D models right in this section. So you don't have to go to edit your listing and all that other stuff. And this way you can kind of see in real time it updating and saying if it's active or if it was suppressed. So this is a really good way. You can also click live images so you can see if what the live images currently are on the listing. It also shows me if I'm a brand owner or not. At the end of the day, you do want to make sure that your listing is optimized, especially your design. And you can contact us below and get a free listing audit directly on our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go through all of your top competitors and we're going to talk to our design team and we say, hey, look, they're the right pixels. Can you audit their listing? And we're going to give you actual feedback so that way you can stand out compared to your competition, which means more clicks, more sales, and making sure your listing is compliant on Amazon. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with Amazon sales, any designs, or anything mentioned in this video, we're Amazon experts. We specialize in everything Amazon, including management. You can contact us right in the link below, which gives you the ability to schedule a call or just send us an email. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.